Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so I'm inside the pool lounge, and this is just absolutely phenomenal. It's a full restaurant. This isn't just a lounge. So you do have like co-working areas over here. These co-working areas are pretty cool. You can plug in and work and things like that. And you've got these over here too. And then there is actually an overlook bar on the second floor that's really cool, that's over there. But then you've got all this seating and table seating, and this overlooks the pool. So the pool's over there, and just full bar, everything that's here, the full bar is really cool. And then you've got this amazing deck over here. Now they have incredible DJ shows that are going over here, and I think they're free for village residents. But then also you've got a stage here, and you can do VIP seats here and just be like looking right at whoever you want. There's a really big singer coming, Corey Kent, one of my favorites. He's going to be right there, so you can rent one of these VIP couches, and then of course you can overlook all the pools and stuff that's over here. This is a really cool, fun experience. There's no pool that I've seen like this. This is amazing. You can really have a lot of fun here at the Village. This is just one of the benefits of being here, but it's pretty cool. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a tour anytime, virtual is what I recommend. Send me a text. I'll get you a virtual tour set up.